Hey everybody, let's take a look at simple sentences. You are going to need a paper and a pencil, or you could just open up a document in a separate tab if you want. This is just for practice because we want to know if you're ready to take the quiz. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the basic elements of a simple sentence. So just tell us what a simple sentence is, and then you should be able to state whether a sentence is simple or not simple. So what is a simple sentence? A simple sentence contains one subject, which can be simple or complex. It can be one word or it can be more than one word. And then it contains one verb, which can be in a simple predicate, or there can be more to it, but there will just be one verb. It makes up a complete thought, so it's not a fragment. We've gone over sentences and fragments. And then it is often, but it's not always short. So let's look at some examples. Simple or not simple. I remember. We've got one subject word, one predicate word. So this one pretty much has to be simple. All right, and then simple or not. My sister and I remember. Now there's a little more to the subject, but it's still just one subject and they're all doing this. They're both doing the same thing. They're remembering. So my sister and I remember is simple. I remember my grandmother's beautiful suntanned face. Still just one subject. Remember my grandmother's beautiful suntanned face. This is longer, but there is only one verb. This word remember is the only action word. So this one is still simple, even though it's longer. Simple or not, I remember how my grandmother's face looked when she stepped off the plane and saw her sister. This one is longer. And so now we need to look into that predicate and see if there are any other verb things happening. It's not simple, and let's talk about why. I remember how my grandmother's face looked when she stepped off the plane and saw her sister. All right, what are the verbs in here? What are the action words? Think about it for a sec. There are 4 of them. I remember how my grandmother's face looked when she stepped off the plane and saw her sister. So this one is not simple. There are a lot of things embedded in this predicate. What I want you to do right now, number 1 through 4, and then write either simple or not simple for each sentence. Pause if you need more time. Number 1, he is trying. Number 2, he is trying to research his ancestors, but there aren't any written records. Number 3, he and his uncle found them in the library. And number 4, now he understands where his family came from. All right, I'm going to go through the answers. If you have any questions on any of these before you take the quiz, come ask us and we'll explain a little bit more to you. So number 1 is a simple sentence. Number 2 is not simple. Number 3 is simple. And number 4 is not simple. So your next step is going to take quiz 2, which is identifying simple sentences. Before you do that, please see us if you have any questions. Thanks and have a great day.